This is the Toshiba satellite laptop. It's running Windows XP, has a Pentium 4, an NVIDIA GeForce FX card in it. This thing is ancient. It's a big laptop, though. 17-inch display during this time was uncommon. I'm going to show you how slow it runs. It's a big screen. I mean, this thing is a monster carrying it around. Let's see. Let's install some few apps here. It's been a while since I've used Windows XP, so bear with me. Let's see. Astro Key. Look at the ancient software on this thing. I will show you the specs and tell you exactly what model this is. It's got a Pentium 4, 3.20 gigahertz, 1 gigabyte of RAM, which I tell you, it isn't much. But back when this laptop was new, when I first had it, it was okay. I mean, I didn't have any problems, and it did everything I needed at the time. But now, no, it's useless to me. As you can see, I have totally unchecked everything to get some performance out of it. I just activated it. And this has a platter hard drive. So, as you can guess, it's not very fast. I've got an SSD drive, which it's like night and day. I will never go back. I don't know what that is. Let's see. Yeah, this thing is ancient. But I might end up tearing it down for scrap. I haven't decided yet. I think it's a P25. That's it. P25 satellite Toshiba. I've had to take the battery out because when I put the battery into it, it won't start up. The battery's just so bad. So I take it out and I use the power supply without it. Which it's kind of down that I can't put a battery on it, but it's too big anyway. I would never use this as a laptop. I will be breaking it down soon because this is just horrible. I haven't used a Pentium and it's very slow, but a little nostalgic at the same time. Look at these icons. Turn it off. Let's give it a restart. See how it does. At the time, it was a sweet laptop. It's got your touchpad. Oh, nice little chime there. Okay. This one would have already shut down and started back up before this one even shut down. I can never use this again. Black screen. There's that Pentium. Windows XP. Don't you miss it. Don't you miss that scrolling bar. Come on. This is exactly what Windows XP is. Wait. When I bought it, it was really a nice PC. But not anymore. Aha, here we are. We got the desktop. Oh, and I'm using a wireless mouse. If you're wondering how the mouse is moving there, it's not magic. Welcome. Come on, let's hear them Harman Kardon speakers. I'm afraid if I turn on the Wi-Fi, beautiful. There she is. That's it for this video. Thank you. Please like and subscribe.